Good morning, afternoon, or evening, teacher and colleagues. Today I am going to explain to you about the impact of the current environment crisis caused by textile waste. Textile waste generation by the mass production and consumption of clothing, increasing on considerably environment crisis with significant impact on water, soil, and air, as well as on human health. Textile production requires large amounts of natural resources such as water and energy, and the disposal of textile waste contributes to water and soil pollution. They rely on greenhouse gas and expose the harmonious chemicals. Impact of water pollution. The textile industry uses large amounts of water to produce fabric, which can lead to water pollution. Chemical uses in the textile production process and leach into rivers and lakes, harming aquatic life. We should reduce water use in the textile industry and implement efficient water treatment system. Impact on air pollution. Boosting textile waste releasing greenhouse gases and fine particles into the atmosphere contribute to climate change. Textile production can also generate toxic gases, such as hydrogen chloride and nitrous oxide. We should implement cleaner and more efficient technologies in the textile industry to reduce greenhouse gas emission. Impact on waste generation. The textile industry generates large amounts of waste, including uses, fabric, threads, and fibers. These wastes can end up in lighting and contribute to soil and water pollution. We should implement reduction, reuse, and recycling practical in the textile industry to minimize waste generation. Impact on biodiversity loss. Textile production can lead to deforestation and the loss of natural habitat. The textile industry can also contribute to soil and water pollution, which can affect biodiversity. We should promote sustainable practices in the textile industry, such as the use of recycled materials and the production of organic fabric. Impact on human health. Exposed to microplastics, chemicals, and toxic gases can cause respiratory problems, allergies, cancer, and other health problems. We should reduce the use of chemicals in textile production, implement sustainable production practices, improve ventilation and lighting, provide training and protective equipment, and support research and development of sustainable technologies. In short, textile waste is crashing in environment crisis that affects the health of the planet and human health. An urgent action is needed to reduce textile consumption, promote reuse and recycling, and develop more sustainable production process. Thank you very much.